Welcome to this guided meditation for transformation. In this session, we will journey back to a childhood moment of fear and gently reshape it into a source of inner strength. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body settling into stillness. As you continue to breathe, allow your mind to soften, opening up to this journey of healing and empowerment. With each breath, begin to visualize yourself as a child. See yourself at a moment in time when fear gripped your heart. Maybe it was the dark, a stormy night, or the feeling of being alone. Whatever comes to mind, simply observe it. There is no need to relive the fear. Now, imagine your present self stepping into this memory. You stand beside your younger self, watching them experience this fear. Notice their expression, their posture, the way they hold themselves. Gently, you reach out to them. Place a comforting hand on their shoulder. Feel the warmth of your touch, the steady presence of your love and protection. Whisper to them, "You are safe. You are strong. You are never alone." As you speak these words, a golden light begins to glow around both of you. This light is warm, protective, and powerful. It expands, surrounding you both in a cocoon of safety and strength. Now, see this golden light flowing into your younger self's heart, filling them with courage. Watch as their fear begins to dissolve, replaced by a new sense of confidence. Their posture shifts, they stand taller. Their eyes shine with newfound strength. The fear that once held them back has now become the foundation of their courage. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the same courage filling your present self. The strength you gave your younger self now radiates within you. It flows through your chest, your arms, your legs, grounding you in confidence and security. Let this warmth settle in your heart. You are no longer bound by childhood fears. You have transformed them into wisdom, resilience, and power. Breathe in this newfound strength. And as you exhale, release any lingering fear. You are powerful. You are safe. You are whole. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring awareness back to your body. Slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment with a heart full of strength and confidence. Carry this light with you throughout your day. Whenever you need a reminder, know that fear is just a shadow, one that you now have the power to transform into strength. If this meditation brought you peace and healing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Let me know in the comments how you felt during this journey. Thank you for joining me today. May you walk forward with courage and light.